Ay, go! Guys, napapaliw na ako. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi kabisado ko na yung kanta. Kanta lang, mababaliw na. Wow, that's so weird. Weirdos. Weird. Okay, go. Guys, kasi hindi niyo pa alam itong kanta. Mamaya. So, guys, comment na lang kayo kung may mali na lyrics yung kakantayin ko, ha? Tsaka yung tono, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! I just woke up from a dream. You and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means. Since I survived your lies. Where you go, that's where I follow. Nobody is promised tomorrow. So another night, and the last night, like just the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, and that some on earth was true. I wanna hold you just for a while, and I will smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Oh, ayan. Comment kayo guys kung mali yung lyrics ko. Mali yung tono ko, mali yung lyrics ko. Comment lang kayo kung may mali yung lyrics ko and tono ko. Kasi di ko maalala. Kasi di ko alam. Okay. So, ayan. Dalawa yung tatanong ko sa inyo. Comment na lang kayo kung mali yung lyrics ko, mali yung tono ko. Comment na lang kayo. Okay lang sa akin kung man-bash kayo. Pero dito talaga, comment lang kayo kung ano ang title nun. And kung sino manalo, kung sino mahula nun, siya ang aking totoong fan. Sige guys, bye-bye!